Oh my God. How clear that water is. Good morning, everybody. A little chilly this morning, camping right here on the Flathead River. I mentioned yesterday that it was I was riding through the Kootenai National Forest. It's actually the Flathead National Forest, looking at the map. Yeah, early start for me. Let's see, actually. 7 o'clock on the nose. Early start for me today. Old Maddie Freedom still in the tent, and there's a little bit of snoring going on. So we kind of said our goodbyes last night, and he's probably gonna catch me going up the trail. I'm like 50 miles away from Whitefish. I might stop there. I know there's a free place to camp at some hiker-biker spot. Also, Columbia Falls isn't too far away from there, so I might head over that way, but that might just be about as far as I'm going for the day. I might take a look at a bike shop to get maybe a new saddle and maybe a different pair of shorts. I'm wearing my old Bontrager shorts that felt super comfortable right before I left. So I decided to take those instead of the ones I had been wearing. That might have been a mistake. My ass is really paying for it. But anyway, 65 miles yesterday. So like about 45 miles on the GDMBR. And I'm having the time of my life so far. Killer uphills. I only did Whitefish Pass. But yeah. Just crazy. So I'm immediately going into a big climb today. Then after that, I mean, it should be kind of a downhill cruise. A couple ups in there, but it's for the majority of the day it's down. It's Glacier National Park right there across the river, guys, and so beautiful. I talked to a guy last night. He stopped by the campsite. He said there's 300 to 500 bears right here in this area, but I don't know. I didn't hear anything last night. I didn't see anything. We hung our food way off in the woods, and no big deal. People don't really seem to be too worried about it, or they seem to be way less worried than I was, so I don't really even care. Got the bear spray, got a pocket knife. That's it. So anyway, guys, back on the road, day 2, the divide. Warming up, everybody. It's freaking awesome. It's a bush plane, man. Wow. How cool is that, man? Hell yeah. Super cool. Heading up Red Meadow Pass right now. Taking a breather here, everybody. About 20 miles in here, day 2. And I'm just starting to get into, well, no, I've been climbing for a bit, but there's like a flat section in this climb, but heading up Red Meadow Pass, scooting right along. I really think I only have 20 or 25 more miles to Whitefish. So I believe I'll be pushing past. On the top of Red Meadow Pass, guys. Getting ready to do this crazy bomb downhill. Hell of a nice day. I got the big climb out of the way by 11 o'clock this morning, and it's semi all downhill from here. So Should be an easy cruise down into Whitefish, and let's take a look at what time it is. I'm probably gonna push on. Then again, I'm gonna take a look at the bike and maybe make some gear adjustments. I'm just carrying a lot of weight. But anyway, let's shoot this downhill. Hey fellas, just taking a break. I'm gonna have some lunch. I got 31 miles in by noon. I feel like that's pretty good. I was really charging back there. I was like coming up a hill going 21 miles an hour. This bike is like hot and cold, fast and slow. Not really a climber. I could use like maybe a 54 on there or something, but I don't know. I'm having a great time, guys. This is the time of my life. This is like some of the best riding I've ever done, and I really can't wait to do it again or something. It's just like super fun. But anyway, tuna sandwiches today for lunch, and then back on the 10-15 miles away from Whitefish. But it is getting hot. I think I got like the biggest of the climbs out of the way. I do have a little hill to go over here, but it's not much. Oh yeah. This is epic, man. Wow. Wow. Just amazing. Cruising right along here. Yeah, I guess that's what the bandanas are for. Morning, everybody. Feeling pretty rough here, day 3. Stayed at an RV park last night and mentioned briefly, but I'm gonna do some oatmeal this morning. Gonna break everything down. I think there's a few items I can leave behind that I don't really need right now. It's looking like it might be a 60-mile day or a 100-mile day. I might try to make it to Holland Lake. I have to do some kind of resupply in Ferndale. I think that's a stretch of 125 miles, like no water, no food. So I'm gonna have to figure that out. Hopefully do a big day today, try to pace myself out. But I'm trying to get as many miles in as I can before noon, really, before that sun really creeps out. But should be 93 today, another hot one, but should be some cloud coverage today, at least in the afternoon. So hopefully that'll bail me out. But I'm just gonna keep inching and trying to get there, but the sun kind of goes down around like 9:30 or 10 o'clock here, so I do have a little bit of extra time. Day 3, everybody. 7 a.m. start. I think I'm going for a 100-miler today. We'll see. All right. Feeling good. I feel great in the mornings. Feeling strong today. Felt strong yesterday, but it's those afternoons. So I try to get as much as I can by noon, and then assess the situation. Into the woods here shortly. Yeah, man. Oh, this road sucks. It's not bad though. Some easy cruising this morning coming out of Columbia Falls south. Wow. Flathead National Forest. Boy, is that something. Day 3. I saw rain my first day going Kalispell up 93 to Eureka. It's super cool here. Having a pretty good day here coming out of Columbia Falls. It's been all pavement so far. 20 miles in, 9 o'clock. But this is just beautiful. A little hard getting up in the mornings though. Outside the fire hall here in Ferndale, Montana. Bumped into a firefighter, said I could stop filling my bottles here, so just refilling and getting ready for the next trek. But I'm trying to get like 100 miles in today. I'm trying to camp up at Holland Lake, so it's a hell of a day. I got a good jump on 30 miles so far, so I'm just gonna avoid town. It's only a mile away, and make a right here and keep heading south. So. Unbelievable. This is so nice.